Welcome YouTube family to this amazing community where bold ideas meet smart strategies. If you're new here, you're welcome. I share tips on making money online, finding remote work, and mastering useful tech skills. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Now let's jump right into today's video.
What if I told you you can make $1,000 every month just by annotating video prompts? And the jobs are actively recruiting right now, available in the US, Canada, UK, and across Africa. Watch this video till the very end because I will show you exactly how to get started and avoid missing these opportunities.
Welcome back, guys, and as you're looking at my screen, you're going to be seeing a company called Atlas Capture, and they are currently looking for individuals across different countries to annotate prompts. All right, so kindly stick and watch this video to the very end because I'm going to be walking you through on how you can get started, pass the qualification exams, and also how you can begin the work immediately after writing the exam. All right, so if you watch this video to this very point and you've not subscribed, kindly click on the subscription button because I share remote opportunities on my channel, and kindly give this video a like so that more people can see this on their timeline and they can easily apply as they are watching this video in real time. All right, so let's just get started. So before you get started, you need to have an active email address. So let me walk you through. So I'm going to be inputting this email address as a sample. So either you have a Gmail address, a Yahoo Mail address, or an Outlook address, you are good to go. So I'm going to continue with email. So they are going to send the verification code to your email address. All right. So once you inputted the verification code, you are going to click on verify. So the next step is to input your profile. All right, so you need to tell them who you are so that they can easily get you onboarded. All right, and one good thing about this job is that it's a remote job. All right, so either you're a stay-home mom, you're a student, you're a corper, or you're someone who is looking for an extra income, then this is a good fit for you. All right, so let me walk you through. Let me input my name. So I'm just going to input a random name. Then your country. So you can see under the country, you can say Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Aldoria, Angola. So different countries are represented here, right? So I'm going to input Nigeria. So kindly select your country of residence and you're good to go. So date of birth, so then the referral link is optional. All right, so after that you're going to click on continue. So under this part you are to sign in the non-disclosure agreement. All right, so this might be showing you an error, so it's a network problem. So most times I do use this WinScribe to pass through this stage, so you can easily download your WinScribe if you're having this issue. To use WinScribe is free of charge, so you download it. So I'm going to refresh my network and try again. All right, so I'm going to click on next. All right, so you have to sign on your non-disclosure. So let's go. So you are going to input your name, dates, and your signature. So you can either draw your signature, or you can type it. So I'll just type it and boom, we're good to go. You click on next, input your name. So you input random address, so I'm going to input this email address, sign in, then that is all. Then click on next field. So you check, then next field, then complete, sign. So you are going to receive an email that your document has been verified. All right, so the final step for you to get on board is what? Your passport, driver's license, or your national. So these are the details that you need to submit. So I'm not going to be doing this part. So for you to be able to verify your identity, make sure you have your international passport, your driver's license, or your national ID card, depending on what you have as a valid means of identification in your country. All right, so that is how you can pass this stage. All right, so I'm going to log in straight into my dashboard so that I can show you the next step on how you can get started. So once your identity test is passed, this is how your dashboard is going to be displaying. All right, so on the right here, you're going to be seeing dashboard, training, tax, referral, and payments. So the next step is for you to go through your training. You are going to click on training. You are going to click on label. All right, so it's going to be showing you label certification. So you can see I'm certified. So in your own case, you are going to go through the instructions on how you can get started. So the first part is to go through your grammar tests. The second part is to go through your video assessment tests. All right, so that is the 2-step you need to get onboarded. So if you have any issue, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to help you all the way. All right, so after that step, you are going to be given the job immediately. So I wish you guys all the best, and let me go back to my dashboard. So you need to set up your payments. And one good thing I like about their payment is that you are going to be seeing your pending audits over here. You are going to be seeing your approved payments over here. All right, and also you are being paid $2.50 per hour. All right, so you do the math and you can calculate how many jobs you can do. So I'm going to go through the job so that you can see what is there. So and also let me go back. So the payment method that is required for this account, which is Atlas Capture, is USDT. So I'm going to click on setup payment. So you can either use your crypto or you can use your Wise. So for those that are living in Europe or some part of Africa that uses Wise, you can easily use this to your account. All right, or you can use crypto. Either you use USDT to receive your fund or you use USDC. All right, so you are going to input your wallet address over here and you are going to set up your payment method. So that is how you are going to be receiving your earnings. And one good thing about this company is that their pay comes on the 15th of every month. So they pay 2 times in a month. All right, so that's one good thing. So every 2 weeks you receive your payments. So the next step is for you to see how the tax is. So let me go over here to my tax. So the first thing you need to know is that you're going to be seeing this quality guideline, which is the minimum 1 times real-time pace. Review at least 1 hour of footage per 1 hour of work. Workers below the threshold may need to undergo retraining. All right, so that is just following the guideline is very important for you to succeed on this job. And you can see zero tolerant policy. Fake or intentionally incorrect labeling will be detected through our audit system and result in immediate and permanent ban. All right, so their clients want to have a good and accurate rating on the job. So make sure you take your time to follow all what the job is all about. So if I want to get started, I'm going to click on clock in. All right, so once I click on clock in, you are going to see a part here. You see reserve 25 episodes. So this means I have 25 jobs to perform. So I'm going to click on this. So it's going to be showing you the jobs. So these are the jobs. So if I want to label now, I'm going to click on label. All right, so that is how. So you're going to be doing all this job in 1 hour. So kindly let me know in the comment section if you have any issues, and I'll be putting you through. And I wish you guys all the best, and I'll be seeing you guys all in my very next video. Enjoy.